cut under his right eye. He said he got it in training, so no surprise here if he just starts bleeding. And the start fortunately below the eye, so it won't cloud his vision. Garcia, major factor here could be that the two have had a similar amount of fights, but Garcia's had the better competition. Garcia's fought John Molina, very difficult opponent. Harold Warren, just to name a couple. Yet Garcia's inactivity might enter in as well. And Bernie talked about Corrales' height. He's 6 feet. Garcia said he trained 2 months up in Big Bear, California, sparring with tall fighters. So everybody seems to have everything covered here.
Well, that hit just came in with a nice overhand right. His timing seems to be okay. The one layoff right now apparently not effective.
He's not afraid to lead off. He's not afraid to take the lead with that. So he goes again with a nice hook. And you have to notice that Chico came in with Desert Storm with all the fatigue. The last time I saw an athletic contest like that, University of Miami took its lumps from Penn State and Festival. All dressed in combat gear.
Miami with a big comeback today in football.
Oh, baby.
Roberto Garcia. Sometimes just lays back and waits for the right moment, as he did with Ramon Leydon. Came back from a knockdown to beat John Molina.
Both of these fighters showing they got a little pop in their system, and they can punch a little bit, and also getting good respect from each other.
This should be a good one. Beautiful straight right hand, followed up by a combination flurry by the champion.
So you see, both of them crisp punches, strong punches. You know, they just have to hang around. They're really popping.
As big and tall as Corrales is, as long as it reaches, he doesn't really like to work on the outside. He doesn't really like to move either way. He likes to come forward. If he comes forward all night long, Garcia's going to be here for a long night.
I want to ask you a question. Where's his jab? He hasn't thrown that thing yet. Look at how tall he is and the height he's got and the reach right in front of him.
Right now, I think the strength factor for Garcia is pretty good in that he's gauging. Corrales is gauging and waiting on the punch, block him to fire back. He's counter-punching out his fight.
It's his first title shot, Corrales, in the power punch. I'm sure he's over-anxious, don't you think, and perhaps not quite in his game plan yet.
I think so. I don't think he's in his fight, but I think Garcia is. I think Garcia's fighting his fight.
A couple of beautiful left hooks there by Garcia, the much more experienced fighter. In there with stiffer opposition. Overall, Corrales said his best weapon, left hooks to the body, but against Garcia, he said we'll see uppercuts and left hooks to the chin.
Well, right now, he's not really working any of the uppercuts on the inside. The left hook to the body is working for Garcia, and the straight right hand, too. I think right now, maybe he evolved a moment. So Corrales has got to a little bit, but he's throwing punches.
Garcia eventually with that big left hook. As we head for the bell of the opening round.